it's Kilobyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper. This is a 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse on a 3G Eclipse, and I'll be doing a video also on painting the bumper and repairing and painting a hood. But tools you're going to need a 10 mil of course socket. You're going to need a Phillips head. You may need diagonal cutters, some dikes, depending on whether yours is held on with zip ties or not. And I highly suggest you spray some penetrant like PB Blaster or something on these bolts before you start to try to get them to loosen up a little bit. Step one, you need to remove the headlights. There are 1, 2, 3 bolts holding it on, and down here there's a plug that you'll need to unplug. Then you can pull them out, and they will literally just pull right out. Now don't forget which one goes where. So removing the headlight is going to get you access to these right here, that one, these. Now, as it turns out, this bumper is in pretty rough shape. It was an aftermarket bumper, and it's not held up as good as I'd have liked. Alright, so now you got to take these out. This. While you're here, go ahead and unplug the turn signal right here. Push in. Push in. And there you go. Don't forget to plug them back in though. Okay, you're going to need to use a Phillips head to remove these 3. And you're going to have to remove that 10 mil as well. And that's going to let you reach up in here to remove another 10 mil. And by the way, turn your wheels to get access. So to get these out, Phillips head, use your fingernail or a trim tool, plastic trim tool. Kind of pull while turning. That's the trick, to get those to come out, and then they will pop out. Now, you may break one. Be aware, you can get replacements. They're not that expensive. They're a bit of an odd type, but there you go. Okay. Well, look at that. There we go. I want to turn it more than I did. Yep, turn it more. All right, so under the bumper there are more of these types. That Phillips head one, and right here is a clip. This one's been zip tied, hence why I need the dikes, and gotta get those out because this is one piece. Well, here, this is one piece, and you got to get it right here as well, and hopefully that'll allow for access to the one up here. All right, so do yourself a favor. Yeah, just get some other clips. So the key is to get one where the hole is the same size So just kind of match up the hole. So right there, that's the one that would work fine, because you're gonna have a really hard time getting these out. So I ended up having to pretty much rip out the ones that were under here, because they were scraped, so you can't actually turn them. And let me use some PB Blaster. On those bolts. Well, keep it in frame. Should have did that earlier. 10mm socket. Now this thing is upside down. Don't forget that when you go to loosen it, because you'll turn it the wrong way. So this one you can get with an extension. This one you might be able to get a socket in there. If not, use a open end or box wrench. Okay, it's now loose. Be careful right here. So this is loose. Well, it's out. It has those same clips. These are, this bumper is much worse than I thought it was. Now these I haven't got completely out. They're loose because I wanted them to hold the bumper in place, but you may have to remove those two if your bumper is in better shape. Now we got the other side. It's the same thing, just the other side. All right, well this one popped. Gonna have to replace that bolt with something, and gonna have to try to get out of that hole. There is some sticking up, so I might be able to get that out with a wrench. If not, may have to drill it. Bumper's off. And yes, this piece here will fall down. All right, and so these are easy to take out. You just squeeze here and push them out. And turn signal, there's a screw right there. Unscrew it, pull it out, and it'll come right out. And then you got the bumper. And if you want to take the brace off, which I ended up not on this one just because it was in such bad shape, you just remove these clips, that bolt, and those clips, and you're good. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.